Hey travel enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on a virtual journey to one of the most breathtaking archipelagos in the Atlantic Ocean, the Canary Islands. Nestled just off the coast of Northwest Africa, the Canary Islands are a unique blend of Spanish culture with a tropical twist. From the rugged volcanic landscapes of Lanzarote to the lush forests of La Gomera, each island offers its own distinct beauty and adventures. Let's start with Tenerife, the largest of the islands. Imagine standing atop Mount Teide, Spain's tallest peak, surrounded by an otherworldly landscape that makes you feel like you're on Mars.